people, now good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Oga Plumber, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
So me want to talk to you. So my name is Sabun. What about your name, sir?
My name is Adeleke.
So while I dey here, I can monitor plumbing work when one of our viewers from the talk show give you. So now I can monitor. So you go to take me the past where you don't work. Me I know as the work don't go far reach. So before you take me around the place, my viewers, before you give any of our client work for this our platform, you have to call our number. Our number this screen. On top of this screen, you see our number for the screen. So Oga Plumber, may they show me where you for start work, sir.
We start need to Soakaway from this side like this.
Okay.
Because here now, Ocean Basin and drainage.
Yes, sir.
That's a flooding.
Okay.
When they do the chamber, go they follow here enter.
Okay.
They'll put chamber here, so.
Okay.
Yes. Put this lock.
Yes, sir.
For this side.
Yes, sir.
We will lock the bedroom.
Okay.
And this lock will lock the bedroom.
Okay.
See the toilet.
Yes.
That's the toilet with maybe this one.
Yes, sir.
This is now the toilet pipe. Now it should be this one. So
okay.
After I sheet the compressor house
yes.
From here go, they will put the chamber here.
Okay.
There go. There go. This one so.
Yes.
They put this one before the pair marry their two together.
Okay.
We can't need to change them.
Okay.
Because the plumber already fair one.
Yes.
I ain't doing like this. We
okay.
can't need to separate them because now different apartments.
Okay.
That's why I change. I know good when say something is square for person apartment now. The other apartment can't go the suffer now.
Okay.
So I can't share around two.
Okay.
This one for this side.
Okay. That side on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can't lay the pipe on.
Yes.
This one I waste for Ocean Basin and flooding.
Okay.
So they enter the side here now. They will do the chamber, the market for here.
Okay.
This is toilet.
Yes, sir.
This one for toilet.
Okay.
This one are event. Okay. This one be so.
That one where they carry sheets they come out?
No, this one they carry odor.
Odor sheets?
Yes.
Okay,
odor.
smell come out?
Smell come out.
Okay.
Maybe this one be.
Okay.
Now this one they carry sheet come out, enter inside the chamber, go enter this pipe, go Soakaway.
Okay.
Come then and go like
okay,
this.
Okay, the lane they go.
Pipe they go. Pipe see they go.
Yes, sir.
Pipe see they go straight.
Okay.
Yeah, we reach here too.
Yes, sir.
Another bedroom is here.
So. Okay, another bedroom see with this.
Put another lock here.
Okay.
Another lock here. Lock. So they lock that bedroom.
Okay.
This one are event.
Okay.
For the bedroom they carry
the smell.
Smell come out.
Okay.
One this one and then be the toilet.
Okay.
This one be the toilet. So see if they come for his house.
Yes.
You enter this one.
Okay.
You go, there was shed chamber here, there was the market here.
Okay.
Chamber. So one for Ocean Basin, one for Ocean Basin and flooding.
Okay.
Ocean Basin and flooding. So from here, enter inside.
Okay.
Inside this one they go.
Okay.
They go like that. They go. Here in our kitchen.
Okay.
Here in our kitchen, and the lock for the kitchen, and this one.
Yes, sir.
See the waste.
Okay.
This one with the waste for water. Anything where they wash for kitchen. And from here they go Soakaway.
Okay, go Soakaway. Yes. Okay.
Pipe
from kitchen. Okay.
Yes, the pipe they continue.
Okay, pipe they continue. So our people now mind me because here rough. That's why we did suffer the person.
They continue.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now visitor toilet.
Okay, may I show them the
now visitor toilet.
Okay.
This is the event.
Yes, sir.
So they carry smell come out.
Okay.
Also. Then comes down. Here the toilet stay here.
Yes,
the
sir.
toilet now be this.
Okay.
Then the seat they come from inside.
Yes, sir.
Here, sir.
Okay.
Here now washing basin and flooding.
Okay, washing basin and flooding. The entire.
This very chamber when they do.
Okay, this chamber so.
Yes.
Okay.
They never finish the chamber. They will see work of the chamber.
Okay, they'll see work on this chamber.
Yeah.
Okay. And they see.
So I have a lock for side if it's not toilet. If it's anything happen, they lock them for here first before they really fight within the inside.
Okay.
Pipe come follow side
ground.
Here go.
Follow ground.
When you reach here, you get another chamber here.
Okay. Here another chamber.
Yeah, attention, I'm going to go direct and go to shop.
Okay, when you want direct and go this socket. Okay,
Yes.
more they go.
Where is see the pipe?
Okay.
Pipe come enter inside here like this.
Okay, now the pipe is this. Okay, what is this one?
This one has sheet.
Okay, this one has sheet.
Yeah,
Maybe
this
know
one
how people they know.
water.
Okay, the other one way long, go that side.
Go that side.
They go water. Okay.
After before if they want plaster the Soakaway, they go park all those sand way inside. And I rain and wash all those ones.
Sand inside.
They will pack am.
Okay.
Yeah. When another one see the back when you come.
More go the back now. So more go the back. Me see go take me pass am more.
Follow this side.
They walk as they walk they go. Everywhere, let's say the rain will fall and you spoil everywhere. So, everywhere. Okay, mess up the more. Yeah, they go small. Mess up they follow you for back. Okay. My people, now the work we do for this house now called monitor so, and they take me, they go where for start the other one. So the other one we first talk yesterday that was the one enter Soakaway. So this very the other side of the house. Now they follow and they go so. Okay. I have for start.
We start this one from here, from the kitchen.
Okay.
The two kitchen for the back flat.
Okay, yeah, now the two kitchen. Okay.
See one. Kitchen.
Okay.
One kitchen, yeah.
Is that not?
Yeah.
Okay.
See the lock.
Yes, sir.
For here. This one now. See the lock for the other one.
What the other? Okay.
And see the waist there. Push them by here. So
okay, Shamba, will they here?
Shamba dey this side.
Okay.
Okay,
the pipe, because they go.
They go.
Okay, maybe they follow the pipe as you see there.
The ground, so.
I say they follow ground. Maybe.
They go. Pipe they go.
Okay.
We reach here.
We reach here, yeah. I see something there.
We this lock, so.
Yes, sir.
Because before we can't do this work.
Yes, sir.
Plumber don't do one. We can't need to do everything.
Okay.
Because they don't do one way.
Okay.
But they don't do one. See the lock here for here, so.
Okay.
Change this one for here. The lock here.
Yes, sir.
And this one our washing business and flooding. Then they come this side.
Okay.
Then they come this side.
Yes, sir.
When sheet, they come this side. So
okay, they come that side.
We use sack block and because of
because sand.
Yes.
Okay.
The two sheets like this, they will share the same back.
Yes.
Like the two sheets. This one at toilet. This one at toilet.
Yes, sir.
This is the event. Maybe this one. So
the event. Okay.
Maybe this. The event. Maybe this one. So.
Okay.
When this the other toilet too.
Okay.
Now the washing business and flood.
Okay, that be that one.
You they enter this side.
Okay.
Enter this side. They enter this side.
Okay. I just see
this one a lock.
Lock. Okay.
For the other bedroom.
Okay.
One this one another one.
Okay.
So another bedroom, maybe this one. So.
Okay.
It's lock.
So you see they go like this.
Pipe can go straight.
Okay. Where they go? So at the Shamba.
It is here like this, the full Shamba here, so.
Okay.
But they never do all those one Shamba we fair.
Yeah, I know.
So now.
Yes.
They do here because of the water. Here got a day.
Okay.
If you read the fall, here go quick full for water. That's why they fair do.
Okay, they do the
this
palliative here.
Now they never see finish and chef. They will see do something for inside.
Okay.
Now so here the pipe for divert go inside the
Soakaway. Okay.
One go sheet one.
Okay.
One go empty tank to water side.
Okay. Any work you do for inside?
We correct some error for inside.
More go inside. More may go see the error. More go see the error for inside. Okay. Now people, we they go inside. We say some work. It's not being fed work for this house. So it says some error they inside when you do, when you correct. So it's saying won't show us. Because the frontage you do, but he come inside I can do some error. So we must monitor the error. May I say as it be?
one bedroom we enter so. Dey one bedroom.
Okay. Open on my way. Hey, our viewers. Okay.
This very bedroom now, they demarcate and they want put glass.
Okay.
For this very bedroom.
The demarcation.
See the demarcate.
Okay, the demarcator like this. Okay.
When we can carry the basin come this side.
Yes, sir.
Before, now here they put the basin.
Okay.
But too tight with toilet. We can't carry our basin come this side now.
Okay.
Put the toilet for this side.
Yes, sir.
That this one for waste.
Okay.
This one for supply for the toilet. When this one a bomb yash flush.
Okay, yash flush.
Bubble wash. And this one a toilet.
Okay, yeah, now toilet stand.
Yes.
Okay. So the amendment we can't do here. So now the person who work for here now here put the toilet.
No, you shift your own toilet for this side.
Okay, put for this side. Now you say that one no good like that because they want the market here. They want the carry and come. Put for okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And this we call inside the glass like this so.
Yes, sir.
He put your own shower here so.
Okay.
I don't remove the other pipe. He put the own shower for here
yes.
so. You can't put water heater for here. You put am for the same.
Yes.
When me come reach there, I can say if the fish shower here, the fish shower, the spool of the shower if they go up,
yes,
it will disturb
water heater
for the up.
Okay.
Come look and say it's not good like that. Come use tape. I use my tape to measure inside the glass like
yes.
this. Come demarcate into 2.
Okay.
Okay. I can't put my own shower here.
Yes.
Put my own shower here. Put my tap here. So
okay.
You see where you put tap, okay. Shower. See okay. Where they want the market.
Okay.
Okay. I can't put my own for here. So
yes.
Carry my own water heater come this
okay,
side.
Come up there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I put see where you put your own flooding for
okay,
this
put
side.
Your flooding this side.
For this side. I mean can't put
your own flooding this side.
This side so.
Okay, you want to have flood, okay.
I want to give her supply for the other side.
Okay.
Exactly waiting I can't do.
Okay, so you can re-amend waiting if you do when not clear, you can re-amend and well. Okay, another Monday.
Because we forget all the pipe when you very do before we can't forget that one for inside wall.
Okay, I can't forget that for inside wall.
Pipe this one fresh.
Okay, as I forget that for inside wall, anything not happen to for inside wall?
No, anything not.
Okay. More go the other.
The other bedroom I be this so. Be this. Put our own washing business for here so.
Okay.
For our washing business for here. This is water supply and be this. This one now. Bomb yacht flush.
Okay, yacht flush, yes, like bomb.
When this one toilet.
Toilet.
This one supply for the toilet.
Okay.
Yeah.
So glass go see there, see the
glass see there so.
Okay.
Glass see there. If you put your own water heater, you put your own water heater for here.
Yes. Okay.
Put your own water heater for exactly where my hand dey so.
Yes, sir.
On top of the toilet. See say you no good for there. For person dey shit. Water heater dey anything can happen.
Okay.
Can remove am.
Can remove. Okay.
See where you put your own shower.
Yes.
Into this one.
Okay.
I use my tape to demarcate inside the glass.
Yeah.
See, I can't put my own for middle of the inside the glass.
Okay.
See my own shower.
Okay.
See tap.
Yes.
Carry my heater come this side.
The heater come up there. Okay.
Heater come this up.
Okay.
See,
your flood drain come the ground.
Yes. Oh, bust her heart.
Okay.
See the pipe when you do. And you be this one. Okay. Not be say na person break am like this. Na so we take meet am like this.
Yes, sir.
See they open water for this house. Na so all year go dey leak.
Okay.
We need to do our own.
Now do our amendment there. Okay. So anyone still there, sir?
It's man like 2.
Okay, move yours. Reach there. Okay, another one there. Man, you turn around with me.
Full basin here, so.
Okay, basin was there.
Water supply. Water supply for toilet. That's a yacht flush.
Okay, this one the toilet.
Toilet here, so.
Okay.
Let's see the market here too.
Okay, see the market and glass still okay.
Now here if you put in own shower.
Shower, okay.
Put up, make up put my
Your own here.
This for
Okay.
When flooding dey.
Flood you come dey ground
here.
Okay.
Come bust am go outside, give am supply.
Okay. So mom.
So yeah,
another one is there.
Mom check the kitchen.
Let's check the kitchen.
Now this side, now there you put in own pipe for the kitchen.
Okay.
Because I say no, it don't work like that.
Yes.
Because if they use double bowl, they need to do one for the other. Come
Yes,
down for center of the display like this.
Okay.
Put the water supply.
Okay. So now that the connection is there.
Yes.
Okay.
Visitor toilet.
Okay, visitor toilet.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, visitor toilet.
Put toilet here, so.
And this is toilet.
Put
bomb washing. Okay.
And supply for the toilet.
Okay.
You know where put flooding before.
Okay.
Come need to put flooding.
Okay, you come put flooding.
Come carry the supply follow here like this.
Okay.
Washing business dey here.
Washing business there. Okay. So my people, now the plumber they talk to, what he can do for this house. So after he through, he can't enter the main house. So some work when that work my friend do here, when no do well, he can re-amend everything. So now the plumber man and he take me around where indoor work. So I go dey ask him about a number. So Oga plumber. So I know say you don't take me around work when you do for this house and some work when the other work man can't do, when not do well, you re-amend everything. So Oga plumber, other for a viewer come across this work through our channel, sir, for the work we do here. How much we take do for them, sir? For the work we do, can't go Soakaway, sir.
For the work when I can do here, because now only to late do Soakaway they call me for this building.
Okay.
They very day when I come, they don't open the inside the building.
Okay.
Only I go, I measure the pipe for the outside.
Okay.
Come buy the pipe. When you buy the pipe, come they do the work.
Okay.
The owner of the house concept is come, make come look the house.
Yes, sir.
Because it me she check inside the building. Whether what they do is correct.
Okay.
As I just tell my guy when we dey gather the work, say me he open inside. Make she we go check, but me dey work for outside.
Yes, sir.
Me no even check am before my guy come say me I come home, I come see inside to see wetin I come say wetin happen. When I reach there, then I use my eyes see, I know, see look and say na so work see be.
Okay.
I can record that thing. I can send that to the owner of the house.
Okay.
So I send that to the owner of the house. The owner of the house say, maybe waiting say me they do now maybe they all do this one now. How we go take do this one?
Yes, sir.
I need to tell her say if he buy another material, me do am again. I will do am for now.
Okay.
Yeah, I can do am for now.
Okay.
Meanwhile, we don't already settle price for the waiting I come from before.
How much na settle that one, sir?
Yeah. Because the reason I say with the money we first settle for this one before, maybe 50,000.
Okay. Yeah. That 50,000, both the work, whether it's both the material and your labor.
No, not labor, na materials no day.
Okay, sir. May I ask a few questions? That material, how much for the amount for that material when they buy come there? No, so your own 50,000 for your labor. The material. We enter here, how much?
Material we enter here because now one Soakaway, the house, now they use for the house.
Yes.
Because when I come, I say me dig another one Soakaway because this has not been say they want this steel like that. Say now once in a while they come this one.
Okay.
Because okay, now pipe we go shop. Come materials when you buy reach 165.
165,000 for the
Yeah.
material.
Yeah, for
Aside
the
your
material.
labor now
Yes.
50,000, abi?
Yes.
Okay. So the other amendment we do, how much can't they do that one for inside?
Because as the way the man talk,
Yes,
the
sir.
way the man talk and the way the man sit do to me, because he say we know easy
Yes, sir.
work we don't pay for before.
Mm.
Because he say this work, because they say no good.
Yes, sir.
To bring another money for
Yes, sir.
pocket one, easy.
Yes, sir.
Everybody know the way things be.
Yes, sir.
Because he tell am say make you bring 30,000.
Okay.
He can't call me back. He say say I me say he don't fit do that work. Say
Yes, sir.
wetin I go fit do for am. Say make you bring anything wey you know say you wan give us.
Okay.
Come.
Yes, sir.
He can't give us 20,000 naira
Okay.
for the amendment.
Okay. So, Oga Plumber, my fine. Thank you for the work we do for here. So, you quick call your number when our viewer fit still reach you again, sir.
And my number 070
Yes.
63
Okay.
23
Okay.
89
Okay.
93
Come again.
070
Yes.
63
Uh-huh.
23
Yes.
89
Okay.
93.
Okay. So, my people, now the number of plumber be that. So, my viewer, before you give any of our client work, you got to call our number. Our number they on top of this video. When they already show now, they on top of the video. So, my people, I great enough for the time when I watch this video.